Hello ladies, and welcome to today's behind the scenes. Well, I am here solo, but I'm so excited to style up this beautiful, luxurious collection from Grizas. Hello ladies and welcome. Oh my goodness, it is like heaven. These are my favorite pieces. I cannot tell you how much I love these dresses, and I'm so excited to style them up for you today. I got Charlie here with me. I'm so excited. He's such a sweetheart. He's just sleeping away there. I don't know if you can see him in the corner of the screen. Yeah, Kristen's giving me the nod. All right, so I have on the beautiful taupe dress. We had a beautiful unboxing yesterday at Lousje's house. The birds were singing, the garden's looking beautiful, and we were so happy, the two of us, to unbox these amazing pieces. So the classic bubble dress, balloon dress. Sometimes I call it the bubble, sometimes I call it the balloon, but we did it in this taupe, this beautiful mocha color that we had in the tunic. We had the long tunic in it, ladies, if you can remember, with the straps here. It's the same color, and then this is, though, a linen weave. So if you can see, we'll take a picture of it for you. It's just got such a different weave here. So it's got a little more texture than their typical straight linen, which we have in the other dresses here, the sherry dresses that are back. We're so happy about that. So I have paired it up with the beautiful little knit sweater with the little appliques of all the little cute flowers going all the way around, which is so beautiful. It feels amazing, ladies. I have on the extra small and it's fitting nice. It relaxes a little as you put it on. So there you go. It's a nice boxy fit here. And I did the long anthracite necklace that we have as our featured necklace, ladies. This is currently 20% off on the cord. And then I've paired it up with the cheetah and the gray beads as well, because I feel like they pick each other up very nicely. And there's the gray in the cheetah as well. So it's so beautiful. You can just see I got the earrings on. All right. And I got, oh my, I have liquid metal. Beautiful bracelet, Joanna, love it. And then my jujus. I'm going to do a little twirl for you, give you a little looky look at this outfit. I am going to put on the turquoise dress for you. That will be next. I'll show you with the sweater on in a picture, but I'm going to put on the jacket as well. Beautiful summer outfit, wedding or garden parties, cocktail parties. If you have any events coming up this summer, these are such beautiful classic pieces. Okay, I will be right back. I'm going to just do a little twirl like the good old days that Lousje doesn't like to do anymore, and I'll be right back. All right, ladies, here I am back in this beautiful combination. Aqua turquoise, I would call this. It is so pretty. And we've also done it in the sweater, which is a little bit of a different tone, but I'm going to show you a picture here. I think it looks fabulous as well. Me and Lousje were talking about that yesterday in the unboxing, how it's nice to have tones off a little bit. Of course, monochromatic is beautiful as well, but you can definitely have off tones and pick it up. Like I paired it up with this scarf because it's got a whole different slew of blues in here and aquas and turquoises, so it picks it up well, and I think it looks great in the picture. This is such a classic look. We love this two-piece from Grizas. We carry it each season. We change up the fabrics, change up the colors. Sometimes we have it in the linen silk, which is so beautiful too. But this is the 100% linen, which is gorgeous. It's got little pockets here just for show. And I am wearing an extra small in the jacket and an extra small in the dress. And I'm just going to unbutton this here because you can see how you can wear it open as well, which is a great look. All right, there you go, ladies. And the nice little slit in the back is so beautiful. We can contrast it up with the black jacket. Great look as well with my black shoes, picking those up. It's endless here. And Lousje loves her scarves, as you know, ladies. These linen scarves are so wonderful. Just gonna pop this on for you. These scarves are so substantial, and what's so wonderful is that you have the same color tone in the linens. So we can just have it as a little shawl if it's a really, really hot day, but you want just a nice little arm cover, or you can loop it up how me and Lousje do our scarves. All right, there you go. There is that look as well. How beautiful is that? Okay, I'm gonna switch into the sherry dress. We have two colors, the black and the turquoise. I'll be right back. All right, ladies, here I am in the sherry dress, and I've paired it up with the black rose sweater. Absolutely beautiful. I'm just going to do a little twirl for you. so you can see the silhouette of it and how well it works together. We've had these types of sweaters from Grizas over the years, so if you have any of these short boxy sweaters, please pair them up with your dresses because it's such a great look. So we have lots of different color combinations here. So I have on the turquoise with the black, but you can also do the turquoise with the turquoise. And then I also love the jacket in the black linen, which we're so happy about. I have this in my closet right now. Lousje does not though. She does not have a black one. I know she has a bunch of colors in the linen, so I would not be surprised if this is going to land in her wardrobe this season because these jackets are our go-to jackets. We absolutely love them. We have a few left still in the raspberry, which was such a beautiful dynamite color. And we did so well with all those pieces. That's why I sort of curated this line to bring to you, lovely ladies, so you can mix and match and play with it. Also, this over the mocha dress in the long bubble, this over the turquoise bubble outfits, but just such a beautiful fresh collection, and we're so happy that it landed in the boutique for you lovelies. All right ladies, so it is Tuesday today. We are always closed in the boutique to film our videos, but come shop tomorrow if you can. We are here 10 to 5 and Kate is back. We are so excited Kate is back. It's so much fun to have her, just like old times. If you have any questions, please let us know. I was wearing extra smalls in all of these pieces, but we do have the size chart online there. Please hit a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And as always, ladies, keep on smiling.